Many words we have listened about the potential employment of artificial intelligence to upend the workforce, especially for easy to automate jobs. But managers at all levels will have to adapt to the world of smart machines. The fact is, artificial intelligence will soon be able to do administrative tasks that consume much of managers' time faster, better, and at lower cost. AI can easily redefine the routine jobs of a manager. In this video, we will see some redefining jobs of artificial intelligence. Before we start, we want to show you a research of Harvard Business School. They have conducted research on 14 countries, 37 executives, and 1,777 managers. And they found that how managers spent their time. In that research, they got the research result that developing people and engaging stakeholder is the only 7% job of a manager. On the other hand, administrative coordination and control is the maximum, that means 53% job of a manager. In the left side, we also can see for the solving problem and collaborating only 30% and strategy and innovation only 10%. By this way, a manager expend his valuable time. But now we are going to show how a manager can employ artificial intelligence to do all of his problematic jobs. First of all, leave the administration to artificial intelligence. According to the survey, managers across all levels spend more than half of their time on administrative collaboration and control tasks. If you want to see the example of a typical store manager or a lead nurse at any nursing home, must constantly perform the scheduling task for their staff manager. Those are very responsibilities that the same managers expect to see artificial intelligence affecting the most. And they are correct. Artificial intelligence will automate many of their tasks. This report writing is another relevant example. We want to cite an example of Associated Press. Their earning goes from 300 stories to 4,400 with the help of artificial intelligence powered software robots. In doing so, technology freed up journalists to conduct more investigative and imperative reporting. Imagine technology like drafting your next management report. In fact, this is already possible for some analytical management reports. Recently, the data analytics company Tableau announced partnership with Narrative Science, a Chicago-based provider of natural language generation tools. This result of collaboration is Narrative for Tableau, a free Chrome extension that automatically creates written explanation for the Tableau graphics. The managers will surveyed see such changes in a positive light. 86% said that they would like AI support with monitoring and reporting. Number 2, focus on judgment work. Many decisions requires insight beyond what artificial intelligence can squeeze from data alone. Managers use their knowledge of organizational history and culture, as well as empathy and ethical reflection. This is the essence of human judgment, the application of experience and expertise to critical business decisions and practices. Managers will survey have a sense of a shift in this direction and identify the judgment oriented skills of creative thinking and experimentation, data analysis and interpretation, and strategy development as their three of the four top new skills that will be required to succeed in future. The third recommendation is treat intelligence machine as your colleague. Managers who view artificial intelligence as a kind of colleague will recognize that there is no need to race against a machine. While human judgment is unlikely to be automated, intelligence machine can add enormously to this type of work, assisting in decision support and data-driven simulations as well as search and discovery activities. In fact, 78% of surveyed managers believe that they will trust the advice of intelligence system in making business decisions in future. The fourth recommendation is work like a designer. While managers' own creative activities are vital, perhaps even more important is their ability to harness others' activity. Manager designers bring together diverse ideas into integrated, workable, and appealing situations. They embedded design thinking into the practice of their terms and organizations. The third of the managers in our survey identified creative thinking and experimentations as a key skill area they needed to learn to stay successful as AI increasingly takes over administrative work. The last recommendation is develop social skills and networks. The managers we surveyed recognize the value of judgment work, but they undervalued the deep social skills critical to networking, coaching, and collaborating that will help them stand out in a world where AI carries out many of the administrative and analytical tasks they perform today.